What leadership support is needed by distribution and production supervisors? I'm Greg Schinkel, President of Unique Training and Development and Frontline Leadership Systems, and today I want to address how you can make sure that your leaders are equipped with the skills that they need for success. One myth is that many companies think that their people have all the skills they need once they're promoted. And of course, we know that's not true. On any given day, your supervisors are having so many valuable or high-value interactions with their team, and they often don't know how to do that, especially when they're making that transition from being an individual contributor to being a leader of a team or a group. After all, we typically will promote these people based on their technical skills and their work history, only to find out they're lacking in how to become good leaders and get results through other people. So how do you provide leadership support to distribution and production supervisors? Well, number one is to clarify the expectations that you have, in this case, of your leaders. We know from our book, Employees Not Doing What You Expect, that one of the main reasons people don't meet our expectations is that they don't understand what those expectations are. So be very clear with your leaders what you expect of them, and they, just by knowing those expectations, will at least attempt to meet them. Number two is to map the high priority interactions that your leaders have with the people on their teams. When you start to look at those interactions, whether it's at the beginning, the middle, or the end of the shift, you'll start to see where the opportunities lie to improve both the communication and the content of those interactions to get the results that you're looking for. And tip number three is to build their capability and their confidence. So of course, as experts in frontline leadership, we know the importance of helping them get better at their job. That's the capability. And then once they put that capability into action, it helps increase their confidence. As you can probably agree, you become the most proficient when both your capability and your confidence are maximized. And of course, that's where we come in at Frontline Leadership and Unique Training and Development. We are experts in training supervisors in operations environments, and it all begins with a conversation, and you can do that on our website at uniquedevelopment.com. No matter what your organization needs to achieve culture and performance excellence, we want to be your partners.